Hello guys, and now I'm going to show you guys how to make a simple paper airplane with a piece of post-it note. This is a paper bird and it can fly. Alright, so let me take it up and let's start. First of all, let's flatten the paper, and now let's fold the paper in half. Okay, because this is sticky on this side, so don't press it too hard. Now let's unfold the paper. On the following step, let's do it this way. Let's turn the paper over, and now we have the center crease. Now start from the upper edge, fold both sides of the paper to the center crease. When you finish one side, repeat the same fold for the other side. Now let me press down the paper. On the following step, I will start from this tip. I fold straight to this edge, so just fold straight out. Next step, let's fold this size up. Estimate about a quarter of an inch, or more than that a little bit. How about half an inch or 1 centimeter, and fold this size of the paper up, this part fold up. Next step, let's unfold the paper, and now we have a crease. Let's use this crease as a preference to fold the upper edge here down. So I just fold it down a little bit, maybe a little bit more. When I finish one side, I repeat the same fold for the other side. And now let's fold this part of the paper up. So fold it up. If it's too hard to fold, you can adjust it a little bit so that it can fit well for both sides. Alright. Because this is not a long distance paper airplane, we do not need to make both sides even. If you can fold both sides even, this is perfect. But if both sides of the paper is not even, this is still okay. So now let me fold the paper in half. Here we go. So after folding the paper in half, I will start from this side of the paper and I fold down to create a wing of the paper bird. When I fold it down, I will estimate about half an inch along this edge and then a quarter of an inch along this edge, and I just fold the paper. Very easy. When I finish one side, I repeat the same fold for the other side. And here you go. This is a new paper airplane. The thing is, we want to have a curved wings. To do that, this is very simple. Just use your fingers and curve the wings. Okay, so let me curve one side and repeat the same fold for the other side. Okay, let me roll the paper. So just roll, and roll more. And now just unroll. Okay, just adjust it. So adjust. When you finish one side, repeat the same for the other side. Especially at the very end, curve it a little bit more. And here you go. This is a new paper bird. Test it out. Don't forget to like the video, share the tutorial with your friends, and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to comment below. How do you think, guys? Isn't this awesome? Let's test this out one more time.